Hey, it's Carter with Adventure Truck in Bend, Oregon. We're in the shop today. We've got a 5th generation 4Runner here with our 5th generation 4Runner platform rack on top of it. We just finished with the prototype, and I just want to make a quick video to show you the type of accessories you can put on these platform racks without having to do any drilling at all. We're installing 6 LED rigid light pods today, 2 big ones in the rear, which are being mounted upside down and backwards, so to speak. We're going to hide the wiring inside these custom crossbars. And then on the side panels, you can see that all of our racks have these pre-cut slots all the way through. And these lights fit really great, these rigid pod LEDs. It's just a single bolt natural mounting that goes in, and you run the wiring through the top part and the bolt and the screw through the bottom. And of course, once you get this put all together and your wiring is all routed and squirreled away, then you have these cool lights that turn on all around the vehicle. So go to our website, adventuretruck.com. We've got 2 racks that we're building right now, the Element 311 Adventure Rack and the 4Runner 5th generation Adventure Rack, both platform racks designed to carry tents and gear, but pretty much any tent on the market within reason of width will fit on these. They're pretty high-end, pretty serious platform racks. adventuretruck.com, come see us, order a rack, take care.
We should have the ignite lights.
Yeah.
And then the rear lights are gonna come on next.
Not yet.
No rear light?
No.
Weird, those should be on. She wasn't plugged all the way in. There, now the back lights, come on.
Hang on. Oh yeah, turn them off and on again. Off, on. And then side guys. Off, on.
There.
Cool.